UniqueSWellness.com promotes finding inner peace and enhancing your culinary skills. Yes, it's achievable. When we meditate, we don't just calm our minds, we release the stress that's been holding us back. It's not about the number of sessions. It's about how you feel when you conquer that extra minute, that extra level of focus. Contemplate it. Absorb positivity, not negativity. Every breath, every moment of silence is a testament to your willpower. It's your determination resonating in every corner of the room. Remember, your future self will thank you. Your body, your rules, rewrite the story. Now, shift your focus to food for weight loss. Each day is a new opportunity, a fresh recipe. Embrace it. Burn calories, not dreams. It's not about being the perfect cook or meal planner. It's about effort. And when you implement that effort into your meal, every single day, that's when the body transformation happens. That's how culinary change promotes weight loss. Keep going, because you're worth it. Discover the lighter side of life.